How to add the Google Drive widget on Android. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can add the Google Drive widget to your home screen. And if this is your question, this here is how to do it. The first step is to open up your Android device, and then on your Android device, navigate through to your home screen, just like I have done here. And then on your home screen, just tap and hold any empty space. Once you've done that, at the lower part of the screen, you will see four options, namely wallpapers, widget, extreme settings. Note that this is peculiar um to each phone, all right, to each phone's model. Okay, so once you've done that, just go ahead and click on widget, and then in the search box, type out drive. All right, so after typing out drive, click on it, and then on this page you can see add to desktop. Select add to desktop, and then just like that, your Google Drive widget will be added. But first of all, you'll be asked to select the account that you want to add. For me, I've selected the account. Click OK, and as you can see, it is loading and adding up already. So you can now move or resize the widget. Once it's added, you can move it to any part of the home screen where you want it to be. Okay, and you are good to go. Yeah, that is it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.